Hello, I'm Wolfgang Joensson and I'm going to talk for 5 minutes about design. Industrial design is a fairly recent discipline. It only emerged after the Industrial Revolution, which allowed serial production. Several factors influence the design process. First, what is needed, a subjective question that changes over time and according to social conditions. 500 years ago, a household contained about 50 products. Today there are more than 2,000. What is considered necessary has obviously changed. Necessity is also open to interpretation. This lighter is made of metal and is sturdy. This plastic model is cheaper, but still quite rugged. Constructed from one piece of metal, this version is expensive and lasts a lifetime. Each lighter gives a different answer to the question what is needed. Another important influence on design is sustainability. During production, use, and thereafter, the environment must be considered. This lamp is made from an existing truck headlight and a fishing rod. Here, tires were recycled to create a new product. This chair is repairable, has a long lifespan, and is made with recycled materials using environmentally friendly processes. Of course, the ultimate sustainable solution is when products become obsolete. In the first half of the last century, the designer's task was to house the mechanics. When electronic components replaced elements inside, there was more freedom to form the product. Miniaturization then reduced the product to pocket size. And finally, when it became a smartphone application, the product vanished altogether, which is the ultimate sustainable solution. Designers are concerned about what is marketable. Industrial production requires a sufficient number of customers to be financially viable. Improved functionality, as with the first automatic toaster, is attractive to consumers. Innovative ideas, like using marine buoy production processes to manufacture this iconic grill, are very marketable. Originality is another key factor. This simple and friendly-looking computer stood out from its competitors. Portable music entertainment became possible when transistors replaced tubes in radios. Playful in their appearance, they suggested the fun that could be had in owning them. Then personal music became an expression of lifestyle. Small mass storage made it possible to carry your entire music library with you. The devices became very small, just big enough to be operational, and in the end a dedicated personal music device will cease to exist. What is possible is one of the most urgent questions that influences design. Technical constraints can be inspiring and have led to great new solutions. Innovation is key. Bending wood in steam over a form reduces the amount of material needed to produce this chair. Formed plywood was used to create leg splints for wounded soldiers in the Second World War. The newly gained knowledge was then applied to create this famous chair. The arrival of plastic materials made it possible to produce this chair in one piece. Car shock absorber mechanics were applied to create a freely adjustable desk lamp. Low voltage technology inspired this creation of a lamp without a cable. The current is conducted through the insulated rods. This vacuum cleaner uses new technology to separate dust from air by the weight of the dust. The new principle both demands and allows for a new shape. For designers, it is important to create something beautiful. Beauty is subjective, but that doesn't mean it does not exist. If a product has been on the market for almost 100 years and nobody demands change, then time could be an indication of beauty. The Bauhaus movement valued craftsmanship, austerity, and industrial materials as origins of beauty. The reduction to simple geometry was its hallmark. Aviation and aerodynamics influenced American designers even for objects that didn't move. Beauty can also come through color. This metro front is orange, to increase its visibility in foggy Hamburg weather. New manufacturing methods made bright colors more stable and therefore possible, and also pop art influenced design in the 60s. Objects in a different context or size attract attention. Simple, elegant, and functional shapes can have an inherent beauty, as well as forms that express what is going on inside. Originality, even if removed from function, can also create an object of desire. And besides what is necessary, sustainable, marketable, possible, and beautiful, desirability is always the designer's aim. Thank you for watching.